HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids! Today we are drawing a glitter fish. Start with an oval shape. Now draw his eyes and a cute smile. Time to draw the fins. Yes, just like that. Move on to the tail. And finish off with the scales. Good job! Let's paint! Glittery yellow for the fish's face. Be careful with the eyes. Pink for his lips. For the fins, let's use this majestic, sparkling purple color. Sparkling red for the scales. Time for some glittery yellow. Beautiful! How about some sparkly blue now? Yes! Amazing! Let's paint with a shiny orange. Paint the remaining scales with green. Use this gorgeous sparkling pink for the tail. We're almost done. There you go! Swim along with our glitter fish. See you next time. Bye-bye.